Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a tea ceremony. First, gather your essential tools, including a tea bowl, a bamboo whisk, and a tea scoop. Next, ensure your chosen space is clean, quiet, and free from distractions, fostering a serene atmosphere. Warm your tea bowl and other utensils with hot water, then discard the water. Finally, select your tea, often a high-quality matcha, for an authentic experience. Now let's master the brew. Measure 2 scoops of matcha, which is approximately 2 grams, into your warm tea bowl. Heat fresh water to about 175 degrees Fahrenheit, ensuring it is not boiling. Pour about 2 ounces of this hot water over the matcha powder. Then, whisk vigorously in a W or M motion for about 15 to 20 seconds until a frothy, smooth consistency forms on top. Serving the tea involves grace and mindfulness. Present the tea bowl to your guest with its most beautiful side, or front, facing them. Traditionally, offer a small sweet before the tea. This helps to balance the slightly bitter flavor of the matcha. Encourage your guest to appreciate the bowl's design and craftsmanship. Maintain a calm and respectful demeanor throughout the entire serving process, fostering a connection. To savor the experience, guests should take 3 sips, appreciating the tea's aroma, taste, and warmth. After drinking, rotate the bowl slightly before returning it to the host. This gesture shows respect. Take a moment to reflect on the tranquility and connection fostered during the ceremony. Finally, carefully clean all utensils, preparing them for the next mindful gathering.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.